It's now a golden opportunity for investors to get into the commodity. Well, joining us now, World Gold Council Market Strategist Joe Cavatoni. Joe, welcome. Why should I buy gold instead of a Bitcoin ETF?
Well, it's pretty simple. I think that gold serves a purpose in a portfolio. It has the right kind of diversification that you were looking for when the markets are rising, but also it buys you protection on the risk side. Secondly, it's a very liquid asset. Third, it provides long-term returns. So when you think about understanding the gold market, you need to pay attention to a couple of key factors. That includes the monetary policy outlook from the Fed, where rates are going to go and how the dollar will strengthen or weaken. What we've just heard as of the last meeting of the FOMC is that outlook for rate cuts, which is usually a headwind in terms of high rates against gold, that's usually an impediment for the gold price. But those rate cuts are likely on the way. That would be a good environment for gold. Second, pay close attention to geopolitical and local political risks. We've got a lot of central banks that are looking at their dollar-weighted portfolios, but also the geopolitical tensions that are rising around the globe and that risk that comes along with that, and even these elections that we're facing on a global scale. Those are factors like that.
So what about the fracturing of relationships, the decoupling that's happening between various economies? Does that affect gold at all?
Well, I think it kind of does, but I think what's important to understand most is that gold is a global asset. So when you look at the demand in different parts of the world, you'll see that places like China, when the markets are having a problem, when the real estate market's overheated, when equities are not doing well, the renminbi is under a lot of pressure, you see gold performing well as an investment asset in that market.
Okay.
So when you start to see these markets break apart, you start to see gold rising in these different pockets of demand.
All right. Well, we'll continue to watch it then. Joe Cavatoni of the World Gold Council. Thank you.
Thank you.